Hey guys, it's Cassie. So today I'm super excited, and I'm sure you're excited too if you read the title. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get free stuff. I mean, who doesn't want free stuff? Free stuff is amazing, and they're also like leading brands. So I got this box from Pinch Me. Pinch Me is seriously awesome. I will link their YouTube video where they explain how it works, and I will also put their Instagram handle down in the description box down below. Basically, all you have to do is sign up, and don't worry, there is no membership fee, there is no shipping fee, there is no credit card needed, there's literally nothing. It's totally free. All you need to do is sign up with your Facebook or an email, I think, and then you just take a survey. It's seriously that easy, and again, I will link the video where they explain it more detailed in the description box. Go check it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this, and I'm super excited. Okay, we're just switching up the setup because I feel like this is gonna be a better setup. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so the next thing I see in this box is Skittles. Of course, the first thing that catches my eye is candy. This is the Skittles Sweet Heat. I've actually never tried this. Fruity flavors with a spicy kick. I like spicy stuff, so I'm gonna try these. I'm excited to try these, but we're gonna save these till later. Okay, so the next thing I got was this coffee ground coffee, and I don't think I'm gonna use this because I don't really drink coffee, but I know I have some friends that do, so I'll probably give this to somebody. So that's another point you can make. If you don't really like any of the samples, that's okay, because one, they were free, and two, just give them to a friend. They make great gifts. I also got this charcoal cleansing water. I'm super excited to try this. I think it removes eye makeup. I'm so excited to try this. Thank you, Pinch Me. Oh yes, thank you. I totally need a new primer, and I got one right here. It's the Ava New York City 10-in-1 primer. I'm so excited. Yes. The next thing I got was this, word I cannot pronounce, treatment. So I guess it's just oil for your hair. I never really use hair oil, so I'm excited to try something new, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so this protects and cushions blisters, which is nice. Maybe you're going on like a hike or something. I mean, I can't really see myself using this in the near future, but I guess it's a really handy thing to have, so yeah, it's kind of cool. Oh, this next thing, they must have seen in my videos or something to know that I'm a health nut, because I know some people would have been like, what is this, quinoa? It's actually quinoa and brown rice. I'm excited. I might even have this for supper tonight. Should I have this for supper tonight? I don't know, we'll see. Oh my word, this looks so cool. It's just a meal in a bag. Oh yes, microwave 90 seconds, because usually microwave dishes are like kind of unhealthy, but this isn't, so I'm excited to try these. The next thing is this. It's obviously a sample because it's tiny, but it is the Ricola Herbal Immunity honey flavored, and I don't know if this is for when you're sick or if everyone in your family's sick. I guess you could take this. That's a good idea. When my family's sick and I'm not, I'm gonna take this. Yes. Oh look, there's another one. I guess they gave me 2 of these. I also got this native deodorant. I mean, I don't know if it's like a special organic deodorant or something, but I've been always looking for a mini deodorant, so now I have one. This one I'm going to use a lot, and it is a Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer, because my skin is so dry in the wintertime. So like sometimes like when it's like really cold and dry, then it'll like start bleeding and stuff, and it's terrible. I need to get in the habit of putting lotion on. And it says it's supposed to moisturize and soften dry skin, so I'm excited. Now there's only one more thing in the box. I mean, obviously I'm happy because I got all of these great things, but I'm also sad because the excitement's kind of like, it's not over, but like, you know what I mean? Like after Christmas, like the day after Christmas, after you open all the presents, you're like grateful and stuff, but then you're like, oh, all the hype is over, you know? But, so the last thing is these herbal teas. Oh my word, they also have a coupon attached too. I'm excited because I've been really into teas lately because I'm not really a big coffee drinker. I'm more like a tea person. Yeah, and this is also for the Health Nut Cassie. This is a probiotic and functional teas for wellness from Prevention and Organic India. So, I'm really excited. I have balanced energy support and supports immune system. So, I'm excited. Hopefully this will taste good. And there's also a coupon on the back. So, that's cool. It's like 2 in 1. Thank you so much, Pinch Me, for sponsoring this video and believing in me, as you guys are my first sponsor and I will forever remember this video. I'm so grateful for everything I got and I'm so excited to try all of these things out. If you guys enjoyed watching this video or it helped you out, I mean, you can get free stuff. Remember, Pinch Me. I will link their website, pinchme.com, and their Instagram handle at pinchme. Just go check them out down below because, I mean, seriously, free stuff. Like, can you argue with that? The comment of the day is, what was your favorite thing in the box? For me, personally, it would probably have to be between the charcoal cleansing water or the primer. I'm really excited to try those. But let me know what your guys' favorite thing in the comments down below. And of course, if you're new to my channel, let me just introduce myself real quick. Hi, my name is Cassie and I post DIY and lifestyle videos every single Sunday and I would love to have you guys a part of the family. So if you want to be a part of this family, go ahead and subscribe down below. It's free, just like the rest of this video. Go subscribe, it's free and free stuff is awesome. So go subscribe. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!